Today is day 13 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 13. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's door number 13. It's right in the middle of the calendar. What do we have here? The door says slay all day. And we have caramel cinnamon spread. That sounds really good. This is what it looks like. It's actually quite dark. That is so good. Super sweet. It's basically a caramel sauce with a hint of cinnamon. Not even getting much cinnamon, I'm just getting caramel. Ingredients are sweetened condensed milk, glucose syrup, sugar, water, cinnamon, fruit pectin, salt, acidity corrector, sodium, citrates. Yeah, so it's basically just a really soft caramel. Today I'm going to make a dip for apple slices. And what I have here is probably around an ounce of creamy peanut butter. And I'm going to add the caramel spread on top of it. I should mention that I did taste this again for the second time. It's about 12 hours since I filmed opening the Advent calendar and tasting this for the first time. And when I just tasted it now, I really tasted the cinnamon. I got a really good taste of like caramel and cinnamon. So I'm just spreading it out on top of the peanut butter. Almost like making a 2-layer dip. And I want to eat this with apple slices, so all I want to do is dip it in and get some of the caramel and also the peanut butter on there. That is so good. If you've ever had a caramel apple with peanuts on it, that's what this tastes like. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I'm enjoying this so much. That's excellent. So today I decided to just keep it really simple with making this dip for apple slices because all I kept thinking about was caramel apples all day. And I was like, I just want to take some apples and dip them into that spread. But then I was thinking, well, if I add some peanut butter to it, it could be really good. And if I was not eating this at night, I would also maybe add some chocolate, maybe a nice thick chocolate sauce to it. Then it would almost be like a Snickers dip. But since I'm gonna probably be going to bed soon and I don't need any extra caffeine in my system, I'm just gonna enjoy it like this. And so that's what I did with my Bonne Maman fruit spread today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads in the Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.